Something just hits different on a clean white pair of sneakers. What I have right now is a Jordan 4 from the metallic pack, and the box gives a nudge to what you'll see inside. Let's get unboxing. The Jordan 4s in the metallic pack was inspired from the OG Jordan 1s way back then, which were in red, green, orange, and purple. This is a Jordan 4 from the metallic pack in metallic orange colorway. And most of the uppers you'll see is white, and what it is made up of, it's your leather from the Jordan brand. All of these panels here, even the cage over here, is made out of leather. Back tab here is also leather, but you'll see some pops of orange throughout the sneaker. From the upper eyelets, you get this, metallic orange. Of course, the Jumpman logo at the back. You'll also see pops of orange on the tongue with the Jumpman logo, Jumpman Flight logo, and also on the underside of the tongue, which is, interesting. And even the insole is orange. And how do you like that? It's just pops of orange everywhere, just little pops of orange, not too much and not too little. And it's just a very, very clean sneaker. Look at it. On the middle portion of the uppers, there are breathable mesh materials. It's not too tight and it's not too hot in there when you're wearing a Jordan 4. Of course, your typical midsole of the Jordan 4, but in the air bubble, you'll also see some pops of orange. It's not a Jordan 4 without some pop of color on this portion of the outsole. And since most of the outsole is white, same as the whole upper, then it's just fitting to have some pop of orange on this portion of the sneaker, because the whole shoe is based on the color orange. And looking at it, it's just a very, very clean pair of sneakers. You get your normal J4 fit, and everything is just, very, very clean. I'm an addict to white sneakers. I know they're very, very difficult to clean and they're pretty much easy to yellow, but hey, it's a clean white pair of sneakers. Who doesn't love a clean white pair? The Jordan 4 metallic pack also comes in red, green, and purple, and all of them have the same layout, mostly white pairs with the hints of those colors. Now, if you're in the Philippines and you want to cop a pair, then go hit my friends up at Shirology Manila in Facebook. And I know they still have some of these left, and I'm sure they'll be able to hook you guys up. And while you're there, go check out their other pairs, and I'm sure some heats are waiting to be worn by you. Tell me down below, what is your favorite color out of the metallic pack? There are 4 colorways that was released last year, 2020. Or tell me what's your favorite. Is it the Jordan 4s or is it the Jordan 1 in metallic series? That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go hit that like button and go subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. God bless.